Okay. This is Michelle from Korea, and now she's staying in Australia. First time bite. First time food in Malaysia is roti pisang. This one. Oh yeah. This is roti tissue. Okay. Why too short? Normally it's very long, right?
Okay.
The other one make it long a bit.
This is condensed milk. Nice to eat with pizza.
Para. Tabuli Ay, dadoy. Ingon ko nganong mubo man kay na.
Last time is like this.
Never mind. Near my house that it can make better than
Near
here.
her house.
Yes. This is roti tissue, guys.